Hello my wonderful students. Today we're gonna study comparing words. In this video we will learn together what comparative adjectives are and use them in our own writing. Now, do you all remember what is an adjective? Yes, you are correct. An adjective is a descriptive word used to describe a noun. Adjective means वो words जो describe करते हैं noun को या हमें और जानने में help करते हैं कि noun कैसा है. An adjective is a describing word that describes more about a naming word. तो आज हम उसमें से ही comparing words यानी कि comparative adjective पढ़ने वाले हैं. So let's start it by reading the conversation. Foxy, can you please get some sweet grapes for me? What Bunny is saying? Foxy, can you please get some sweet grapes for me? I am sorry, Bunny. I am not too tall to reach the grapes. I am taller than Foxy. I can pluck the grapes from the top. They are sweeter than the grapes hanging lower. See, there are few words written with blue color like sweet, tall and then taller and sweeter. Now let's see. The color word shows comparison. What they shows? Comparison. Foxy, tall, and kangaroo, taller. We are comparing two animals. Now, comparative adjective is used to compare two person or two things with each other. For example, kangaroo is taller than Foxy. We are comparing two animals, Foxy and kangaroo. So we are saying taller. We added ER to the describing word. Now see here, the colored words shows comparison. Tall to taller, sweet, sweeter. Alright, now we add ER or R to the describing words. Describing words means adjective. When we compare two person, animals, things or places, हम describing word में ER और R लगाते हैं जब हमें दो चीजों को compare करना होता है. Read some examples. Less to lesser, new, newer, dark, darker, large, larger, long, longer, young, younger. For most adjective, the comparative words is formed by adding ER, and for some we add only R where the adjective ends in E. इसका मतलब है जब भी adjective E में end होगा तो हम सिर्फ R लगाएंगे. Otherwise we need to write ER to comparing two or more person, animals, thing or places. Now turn the page and come to page number 72. Open page number 72, pre-reading, and let's start. Take out your pencil and look here. An angry witch casts a spell on the forest. The sounds of all animals are exchanged. अब सारे animals के sound को witch ने exchange कर दिया है. Look at the picture and write the original ones. Now what we have to do is, we need to look at the pictures and let's correct the sound of the animals. Bird कभी trumpet करती है क्या? No. Bird chirp. CHIRP. Then snake. Snake hiss. Write it down. HISS. Then lion. Lion क्या करता है? What is the sound of lion? Roar. So write it down. ROAR. Roar. Then elephant. Trumpet. Write it down. TRUMPET. Trumpet. Then frog. Frog क्या करता है? Croak. CROAK. So all of your work is done. Pre-reading wala work is done. Now come to reading portion. Same page, page number 72, reading. And we are going to read a jungle tale. Yes, in which OI and OY sound are highlighted in the story. And comparing words, as we had seen in language ladder, comparing word. Right now we are also going to see that also. So do you know dear kids, animals also speak? हमने पंचतंत्र की स्टोरीज देखी है ना स्कूल में. एनिमल्स बातें करते हैं. Yes, so let's see what is going in the story and let's read it. Once upon a time, put your fingers and read with me. Once upon a time, there was a forest called Dance Land. एक समय की बात है, एक फॉरेस्ट हुआ करता था जिसको क्या नाम से जानते थे? डांस लैंड. एवरी नाइट द एनिमल्स वुड लाइट अ फायर एंड डांस अराउंड इट. हर रात एनिमल्स वहां पे क्या करते थे? लाइट ऑफ फायर जलाते थे एंड डांस करते थे. Then there was a musical band of rats. As you can see here in the picture, there was a musical band of rats. They were the most entertaining and popular animals in the forest. All the animals loved these joyful rats. They gave them cheese and cookies. All the animals loved these rats and they gave them cheese and cookies. And rats are very popular in that forest. Now what you need to underline here is underline forest, then underline animals, underline musical band. Then come to second paragraph, second line, underline entertaining, underline popular, underline joyful. Here OY, it's a OI sound words. Joyful, joyful. Then underline cheese and underline cookies. Let's see what happens in story. अब हम आगे की स्टोरी रीड करते हैं. Come to page number 73. One evening, a smartly dressed monkey joined the group with a violin. He came and sat on a stone in a corner and started playing melodious music. He had a lovely voice His music was sweeter and newer than that of the rats. All the animals surrounded him and enjoyed dancing to his tune. The rats did not like the smarter monkey at all. Now, what happens one evening? A smartly dressed monkey joined the group with a violin, and he sat on a stone and started playing the violin, the melodious music, and he has a lovely voice. Now his music was sweeter and new for the other animals than that of the rats. All the animals surround him, that means surround monkey, and enjoyed dancing to his tune. Now the rat was jealous of monkey now, and they did not like the smarter monkey at all. Now underline smarter, underline dressed, violin, corner, started, melodious, lovely, voice, sweeter, newer, enjoyed, and smarter. Underline all the new words like this, and then let's proceed to next paragraph. In next paragraph, the monkey started coming every night. अब monkey रोज आने लगा. All the animals now loved him more than they ever loved the rats. Now all the animals started loving monkey instead of rats. They showered him with gifts. They started giving gifts to monkey. The rat became extremely jealous. They decided to play a prank upon the monkey. They burned some wood around the stone. Like as you can see in the picture, they put fire around the stone. Then where the monkey sat every day, the stone got hotter. Now stone become hot and hotter until it becomes red hot. Then they cleaned the area. Now in this paragraph you need to underline the new words. They are underline showered, then extremely, also underline jealous, then underline prank, then burn, then underline every day, then hotter, until, and then clean. Now turn the page and come to page number 74. After some time, the monkey came and sat on the stone. Ouch! The poor monkey screamed and jumped. The stone was so hot that it burnt his bottom. The monkey jumped in pain. On seeing this, the rats laughed their heads off. कुछ टाइम के बाद जैसे ही मंकी आया और वो स्टोन पे बैठा, he screamed and jumped. The stone was so hot that it burnt his bottom. Now he was full of pain. He was in full of pain. On seeing this, the rat laughed their heads off. All the animals were very annoyed with the rats. They thought the rats had been cruel to the monkey. They asked the rats to apologize to the monkey. The rats went to apologize to the monkey, but he had already left the forest. This saddened the animals even more. इससे सारे एनिमल्स और मायूस हो गए और अनॉयड भी, गुस्सा भी हुए रेट्स पे. As a punishment, the rats had to leave the forest. Now, as a punishment, rats को भी forest छोड़ना पड़ेगा. बाकी एनिमल्स ने बोला. Ever since, monkey have had red bottoms, and rats have lived in hiding where human lives. Now underline the new words. Underline sometime, then underline scream, then underline burn, then bottoms, then laugh, then heads off. Then come to the next paragraph. Underline annoyed, underline apologize, saddened, underline thought, underline punishment, underline monkeys, then underline humans. Now take out your notebook and let's write all the new words in our notebook number 1A. In your notebook, give heading new words. फोनिक वर्ड्स तो हमने ऑलरेडी लिखे हैं, जिसके साथ हमने चैप्टर का नाम लिखा है. तो अब आपको चैप्टर का नाम फिर से लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको हेडिंग डालनी है न्यू वर्ड्स. एंड देन राइट इट डाउन द फर्स्ट वर्ड फॉरेस्ट. FOREST, forest. Then the second word is musical band. MUSICAL, musical. BAND, band, musical band. Then come to the third one. ENTERTAINING, entertaining. Then fourth word is popular. POPULAR. Fifth word is joyful. JOYFUL, joyful. This one is J, okay? Joyful. Then cheese, CHEESE. Then the next one is cookies, COOKIES. Eighth word is smartly, SMARTLY. Ninth word is dressed, DRESSED. 10th is violin, VIOLIN. Then come to 11th word, corner, CORNER, corner. Then the 12th word is started, STARTED. Now come to 13th word, melodious, MELODIOUS. Melodious, MELODIOUS. Lodious. Then come to 14th word, lovely. Love, love, ly, lovely. Then 15th word is voice, voice, voice. Then 16th word is sweeter, sweeter. 17th word is newer. 18th word is enjoyed, enjoyed, enjoyed. 19th word is showered, showered. 20th word is extremely, extremely, extremely. Then 21 is jealous, jealous. 22 is prank, prank, prank. 23rd word is stone, stone, stone. 24th is hotter, hotter, hotter. Now come to 25th, that is cleaned, cleaned, cleaned. Then 26th is until, until. Come to 27th, sometime, some, some, time, time, sometime. Then the next one is screamed, screamed. Screamed. Another is jumped, jumped, jumped. Then the next one is burnt, burnt. Then 31 word is bottom, bottoms, bottoms. 32 is laughed, laughed, laughed. 33 is head off, heads off, heads, heads, off, heads off. 34th is annoyed, annoyed, annoyed. 35th is thought, thought. Then 36th word is apologize, apologize, apologize. 37th word is saddened, saddened. Then 39th word is monkeys, monkeys, monkeys. And 40th word is humans, humans. So these are the words. New words 1 to 40. Let us read it one more time. The first word is forest. Second is musical band. Third is entertaining. Fourth, popular. Fifth, joyful. Sixth, cheese. Seventh, cookies. Next is smartly. Dressed. Violin. Corner. Started. 13th word is melodious. Lovely. Then voice. The another one is sweeter. 17th is newer. 18th is enjoyed. 19th word is showered. 20th word is extremely. 21 is jealous. 22 is prank. 23rd word is stone. 24th is hotter. HOTTER. Now come to 25th. Cleaned. Then until. Then sometime. Then screamed. Then jumped. Then burnt. Then bottoms. Then laugh. The next one is heads off. Another one is annoyed. Then thought. Apologize. The next is saddened. Another one is monkeys. And the last one is humans. So I hope that everyone's new word 1 to 40 is completed. So dear kids, tomorrow we will be doing understanding activity. That's all for today. And till then, bye. Take care. Thank you and keep studying.